Hi everyone, I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to go over the first few assignments that we have due the first couple of weeks and just give you guys an explanation as to how to submit these assignments and kind of what we're looking for that you can apply to the assignments going forward. So the first week, January 16th through the 19th, the only thing that's due is a speech of self-introduction, and basically this is a 2 to 3 minute video about yourself. So just who you are, what's your major, what's your background, and kind of what you hope to learn about in this class. And if you have an exciting interviewing experience that you want to share, feel free to throw that in there too. This is just an opportunity for us to get to know one another, and this will be especially important when you're assigned your partner, so you can have a little bit of background about your partner. You can do this in Kaltura, which I will post instructions on how to do that, or you can also just do a YouTube video and post the link. That's fine as well. So that's the first assignment that's due. Now next week we get into the material. So for this week you will have two things that you need to complete: an interview analysis and your first set of workbook pages. So what I will do for each week is post a video that will be available when you click on the week, and I'll also post any PowerPoint that's also included in that week, as well as any additional reading information. So at the time I'm making this video, I will probably be adding some links to all of this information. So just know going forward that every week you'll have resources to use to access information about that week's topic. And then we typically have a couple of assignments due. So for this first one, you can find an interview that interests you. Talk show, podcast, something on television, something on the internet, YouTube, as long as it's a situation where someone is asking pretty organized and structured questions of another person. And then you'll apply that interview to what you learn about the interviewing model. So you'll need to make sure that you watch the lecture videos, do all of the readings, take a look at the PowerPoints before you do any of the assignments. So every week we will have an application assignment, something similar to this one, where we apply what we're talking about to an actual interview. Now, the second assignment that we'll have every week concerns our workbook, and I've got a copy of that right here. It looks like this. We will be working with this every week, and if you take a look at it, it's a workbook. It has flower petals that you're going to complete that will allow you to learn a little bit about yourself. So as you complete these, you can write these in the book. You can write all over this book. You can do all of the activities of this book, but I will tell you what I need you to post. And so for this first one, it's pages 12 through 13. You can scan it, you can take a picture of it and post it. However you would like to do that is fine, but this can be handwritten work. The assignments like this, the application assignments, those need to be typed. And you can either type them on a separate document and attach it to the discussion thread, or you can copy and paste it into the text box, whichever you would like to do. Now, as we progress through the semester, in about 2 weeks, we'll start reading this book, especially when we get into the job interview portion of the semester. Then we'll start doing some of the things that are in this book. But just know that every week you'll have some kind of application activity and you'll be completing something in the workbook. But if you ever have a question about an assignment, don't hesitate to ask. I am happy to help. Thanks so much, and I hope you guys have a great day.